How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be talking about how to hide a hickey without makeup. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBurg999. So I know this is a fitness channel, my friends, but I have a ton of subscribers that want me to make this hickey video. So that's why I am making it, my friends. Don't worry, there'll be lots of fitness videos to come. So I keep getting comments from subscribers. They want to know how to hide a hickey now without makeup. So how can you hide a hickey without using makeup? Instead of hiding it, let's just get rid of it altogether instead of hiding it. That's what I think. That's the best plan, because if you hide it, you can only hide it for so long, and then eventually people are going to see it. But if you get rid of it, it's gone forever. So this does work. I've made a video on it before. It has over 1 million views, and I've helped thousands of people get rid of hickeys. So this works, trust me. Now, again, if you're wondering why I'm making another video on hickey, it's my subscribers want it. My subscribers keep emailing me, keep commenting. So for all you subscribers out there, I'm giving you guys what you want. So you can use anything to do this. Really doesn't matter. I probably wouldn't recommend a pen, but you can do it. Anything that creates friction. So the best things that are going to work is a coin, a spoon. Those are the best things that you can use to get rid of a hickey. I'm just trying to think of some other things. I guess a pen would work. So yeah, coin, spoon, pen would work, I guess. Basically anything that you can rub on your neck to get rid of it. That's where you get hickeys. You get hickeys on your neck for most people. So that's what we're gonna go over today. Now the key to getting rid of the hickey, all you gotta do, you guys, very easy to do, is take your device, whatever it may be. Mine's gonna be a pen today. And all we're gonna do, let's say my hickey's right here. I don't have a hickey. What is the heck is that? I don't know what that is. I don't think that's anything. Okay. And then all you're gonna do, better not be writing pen on my neck. I'm gonna use the other side. All you're gonna do is rub wherever you have the hickey and just keep rubbing. Again, a pen might not be the best thing, but you can use it. I just don't want to, I would recommend using this side. I just don't want to do it in case I get pen mark all over. In case I get pen mark all over me. But yeah, take your device, just keep rubbing your neck. Now, when I do this, I've done this before because I've had hickeys before from girls. So what you want to do, and this is what I found out, the best time for rubbing your device on your neck or wherever your hickey is roughly 2 to 5 minutes. 2 minutes should get rid of it. If it doesn't, I've had a couple of people say 2 minutes doesn't work. Then I would go with 5 minutes. Now here's the thing. If it doesn't go away after 5 minutes, do it again. Do it twice for 5 minutes. One time had, I think, 5 or 6 hickeys on my neck. It was disgusting. Really bruised. It was bad. So yeah, try for 2 minutes. 2 minutes doesn't work. Do 5 minutes. If 5 minutes doesn't work, do another 5 minutes. Again, all you're doing is you're taking your coin or your spoon and you're just rubbing on your neck. What will happen is your neck will get extremely red. And I've had people comment on videos before saying, wow, you made things worse. What did you do? You wrecked my life, blah, blah, blah. What they don't understand is your neck is going to get red. That's what happens when you rub it. But here's the thing. You wait 5-10 minutes. When the redness goes away, so will your hickeys. They'll be completely gone. And yeah, that's how you get rid of hickeys. Very simple, very easy. Trust me, it will work. Comment below if you guys have a hickey, you're trying to get rid of it. Let me know if this does work. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurg999. For all my fitness guys out there wondering why is Dylan making hickey videos, It's just because I have a ton of subscribers on my channel and people want to know about this topic, so that's why I'm doing it. Again, I do apologize if it's not related to fitness. Don't worry, there's still lots of fitness videos to come.